Welcome to this week's Market Minute. I'm Cody Moore with Wealth E&P. Today we're going to talk about a sector of the market that we have been keeping a particularly close eye on lately, and that is the international sector. So you may have heard us talk about over the last 10 plus years that we have specifically not kept a portion of our portfolios in the international sector. And I'll show a graph here in just a second to highlight exactly why we have chosen to do that in our investment committee. So this chart here shows the S&P 500 and the international sector over the last 10 years. So as you can see, the top line here is significantly outperformed the bottom line. Specific numbers are 174% for the S&P 500 to 30% for the international sector over the last 10 years. So that's really been the reason why we have not allocated a portion of our portfolios to international. It's just underperformed for a long time now. However, lately, really to start off this year, the international sector has performed well while the S&P 500 has been volatile and slightly down to start the year. So that's something our investment committee is really diving into right now and looking into the fundamentals to see, is that just a short-term swing, or truly fundamentally is there some merit to that, and do we see that, project that to continue into the future, pushing us to include that into our portfolios to make sure we have exposure to any potential growth and positive performance there. So that's something we'll keep on our radar and keep you updated with. If you have any specific questions about this or maybe other asset classes, please feel free to reach out to us at our website, wealthep.com. Thanks. We'll talk to you next week.